All right, now off to the new entertainment capital of the world, where Mark's getting some travel tips from the stars.
Yeah, guys, with so much to do and so much to see, Vegas can be a bit overwhelming. So I thought I'd get a little help.
Before Mark's trip, he asked his new friends, the Bella Twins, for a few tips.
So what's your favorite thing to do in Vegas?
Oh my gosh, I love going to the shows. Like the Beatles
Yes.
one, love. Oh, it's my favorite.
AJ getting some advice from Las Vegas native Jimmy Kimmel.
A place you have to go to if you come to Vegas. I love Caesar's Palace. To me, that is the quintessential Las Vegas hotel casino. If you really want to get a bit of what Las Vegas is now and was like, that's the place to go.
But some of the best pointers on what to do in this great city Mark got from fellow tourists he met right on the Strip.
What am I missing that I've not seen yet?
Fremont.
What's that?
It's like the old original downtown Las Vegas. I went into a bar yesterday, it was Evel Knievel's bar.
What's the best thing you've done since you've been here?
We've done a lot of walking around looking at the sights. We're looking forward most to going to the High Roller tonight.
Oh, nice. You're going on the High Roller?
That's the plan.
What's your favorite thing about Vegas that keeps bringing you back?
Well, I like the shopping, and I think we're going to Top Golf tonight.
She's got good taste. Channing Tatum's a top golf fan too. He just posted this pic on his Instagram. Plan your ultimate trip at visitlasvegas.com. And hey, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite Vegas spot? Please tweet me at Mario Lopez Extra. All right, well, that's going to do it for us for today. For more entertainment news 24/7, head over to extratv.com. And we'll see you tomorrow, everyone.